Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Porsche Cayenne I was working on last week. Just want to show you what I've done. This part here is all done. New vacuum lines from there to there and from here to the actual booster. That's a brand new one there, as you can see down there. That's all done. The water pump, so the thermostat's all done. So I just finished fitting the water pump, the original water pump back in with a new gasket. The belt's back on already. Just finished cleaning the intake manifold. Yeah, got the new gasket now. They only gave me 6, so I had to get a new. Wait for the new 2 gasket to get in in here. Just before I put the intake manifold, I wanted to inspect the intake ports, and it's really filthy. Look at that. I can't just put the intake on now like that, looking like that. So I'm going to clean all that. I'm going to remove the spark plugs out, all 8 spark plugs out, and then I'll use the liquid moly intake cleaner and then crank the engine without the fuel pump fuse. With the fuel pump fuse disconnected, so the car can't start. It's not going to start, it's got no spark plug anyway, but just do it anyway, so you don't want any fuel to come out here. It's not good. So yeah, I've got to clean that before I put the intake manifold on, so hopefully I can finish it later today, and then I can put the intake on and start the car up. I can't just put the intake manifold on. I can't put the intake manifold on if the actual valve looks like that. The reason why they're like that, this is a direct injection, so the fuel gets sprayed inside the actual combustion chamber, and that's why it's dirty, and you can't do nothing about it. So the only thing you can do is every service, like here at EMD Automotive, when I do a service, every minor, doesn't matter, every service I have to use the liquid moly intake clean when the car's running, and just spray into the intake manifold with the car running at 2000 RPM. Alright, you need 2 people to do it, so one holding the RPM at 2000 RPM, and you just spray into the intake manifold through the throttle valve, and go from there. But I was hoping to start the car up today, but this one here is holding me back. But I can't just put the intake manifold on when the valve looks like that, so I've got to clean that, get it done with before I put the intake on. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.